All right, everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 1966 Ford Mustang. Of course, Ford Mustang is the most classic car you'll ever see on the road. This one's bound to be almost stock. I mean, you can look at it, it's never been really touched. It's still got the original gauges. It has a modified but still classic tuned-on radio. The original steering wheel, working horn. Got the stock style Mustang rims. It's got our nice bucket seats with the white. I mean, I actually like the way that has the horse embedded into the seats. Got very strong power steering, power brakes. Stops right on the dime. Sorry, we got the working radio too. We got a power top with this one, a black power top, fairly clean. As we're going down the road, you can hear it. And of course, this is a V8, not a 6-cylinder, 289. One of the best Ford engines ever made. Yeah, definitely a good driving car. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, place her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.